Hey Texas, this is Deidra with TexasPads Real Estate. I'm a realtor in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and if you didn't know, then now you do. Let's go ahead and get into it. Today we're going to be focusing up on Highland Homes, and we are showcasing the floor plan model 274. This is coming from Prosper, Texas, in their community called Star Trail. But let's go ahead and get into it. This is not any time to clown around, so let's be for real. Huh? All right. If you're not knowing where Prosper, Texas is, let me go ahead and explain it to you. As you can see here, this is Dallas, downtown Dallas. You take the North Dallas Tollway just north up here, past Frisco, and shh, if you did not know, Frisco is talking about building a Universal Studios that is technically supposed to be underway very soon. So this area is woo woo hot, hot, hot. Get it now. You just continue on north. Now, the North Dallas Tollway will continue past the 380 on up. So that's definitely going to be easy access if you work anywhere around Dallas. You definitely want to be close to freeways when you live in Dallas. Again, the floor plan that we are going to be showcasing is the Highland Homes 274 floor plan. That comes with 6 elevations. It's a 4-bedroom, 3 to 4 bath. It comes with a half bath. It's 3,629 square feet, 3-car garage. This home starts at $1,147,900. So it's really nice. And if you're not familiar with Highland Homes, their reputation is impeccable. They build really good quality homes. And I'm going to go ahead and show you one of those. All right, this is some of the elevations. Like I said again, it does come with 6 elevations. You can see it's a mix between brick and stone. Now, what's special about our video today is that we actually have an insider's look. We are building a home out there for one of our clients. And this home, we're going to show you the process. We're always talking about new home builds, but this time we're going to actually be able to show you it from the construction process and then the completed look, so you can kind of get a feel for it. This right here is the floor plan. As you can see, you enter in here, you have your study, you have your bedroom. This bedroom number 2 is really nice because it comes with an additional sitting area, so it's really huge. You can almost use it like an extra in-law suite because it does have a bathroom here. You have your dining area here, bedroom, open living room and family room and breakfast nook and kitchen area here, game room, media room, primary suite, in your primary bath. Now let's go ahead and take a look here. This is the home under construction. As you can see here, our client has the coach lighting out front, cedar trim, black onyx roof, and brick on the outside here. But it's a very nice looking home. And when you do customize your home, you do get to pick the brick, you get to pick the roof, you get to pick the light fixtures. You get a lot of options. They send you to the design center, and it's just a slew of options there. So it's definitely really nice. Let's go ahead and look at this driveway. It is a paved driveway, so it's really nice with the stone and the bricks there. And then you go in here, your 3-car garage. This is the front study here. It has the built-in custom bookshelving. Now underneath here, you'll see that it has this cardboard on the floor. And the reason that they put that down is because they do have hardwood floors in there, and they want to protect it from anybody accidentally scratching up your floors. So that is why the floors are looking taped up. That is not the floor. The floor is actually a beautiful wood floor. This is one of the bedrooms with the extra bath in here. This is your mud room and then your half bath. Like again, this is all under construction, so this just kind of gives you a look here. And then my client does have what they call the gold package, so you'll see gold chandeliers and lighting all throughout this home. Let's just go, just kind of showing you the progress. As you can see, it's going through, it's still under construction. They still have, like in the shower here, they still have to put in the lighting. Well, not the lighting, but the glass here. Mirrors are missing still. This is that extra bedroom that has the sitting area, so it's really, you're gonna love that. This is your dining room with the gold chandelier. real nice. Now this is the kitchen. As you can see, the gold chandeliers are featured above the island here. And look at that. You have your big open area. You can see the kind of like the patio out there. It's real nice. This is with the gold package. They did pick out this fireplace, so it is real nice stone fireplace. Look at those granite countertops. It's really nice. And I must say, when we were at the design center, we did coordinate this countertop with that backsplash. So definitely you can see where we try to make them look very similar. But it comes together very, very good. And then we're going to go through here. Master bedroom. Now this is the master bath. This is the oval tub that they did choose. It's the walk-in shower. Very, very nice. Let's go. Look at this closet. Closet is going to be amazing. Now I know you're wondering, what does this place look like when it is done? And we're going to go ahead and show you that. They put the landscaping in here. Here is a completed look for you. This one of this does not feature the gold package. It has the the nickel brush fixtures here. But you kind of get a feel for your space and how you can have a nice entertainment and sitting area here for you and your family. And this is real nice here. Dining area. Master. As you can see, this is what the completed look looks like. So definitely once you move in and you make it your own, you're going to see, you can see the wood flooring here in the tile. Office space. Now this is that room with the sitting area, which is really cool. Bedroom, bedroom. This is your game room with your media area outside, and then that is it for that. Now let me tell you a little bit about the Star Trail community. They do have 3 schools, Prosper ISD, which is a really great school district that you want to be in. And I have a video for you for that. Let's go ahead and get this video going. Now, this is Prosper High School. Let me go ahead and start this video for you. As you can see, it's really huge. It looks like a doggone university, okay? Look at that football stadiums. It has the track. That's your your gymnasium here. Baseball, soccer, band practice here. It is huge. Now this is a feature I want to pause at. This is the football stadium for the games if you go to Prosper High School. It is huge. It is got, of course, your stadium seating. I'm sure the snacks there are really good. And let's see, it's just like a mini Cowboy stadium, right? It's huge. Have you seen a high school stadium that looks like that? And then here goes Rushing Middle School. Also very nice. It has the football field, the track, the tennis as well. I mean, Prosper makes sure that they don't spare any expense in making sure your children have a good school experience, right? As you can see, someone's out there right now playing around. Tennis courts. Baseball. So the middle school does bring it, right? And then here we go. Joyce Hall Elementary School. Now, let me tell you about this. This school is on site. So when you move into the Star Trail community, you don't have to go far to get to this school, which is really good. It still has all of your parks and everything there for your children as well. And speaking upon which I was saving the best for last, that is the Star Trail community. I'm going to go ahead and blow it up, and let's just get a drum roll. All right. Star Trail community. Let me give you a quick brief down. It has miles and miles of walking, hiking, and running trails. And if you like to get out and do your run, Well, maybe if you don't like it, but maybe if you just do it because you have to do it, like me, right? Then you're gonna love it. They have a new community center that they are under construction that is set to be built by 2024. So that is something that is in the works right now. So it's gonna make this community even better right now. It does have the community center with the clubhouse and party rooms. It has outdoor lounging and fireplaces, and it does, because you can see right here, it comes with the resort pools. You have a leisure pool, you have a kid pool, and you have a sunning pool. Lots of sitting out here. Look at those little pooling areas there. I mean, if you're in Texas, come July, this is where you want to be. Unless you have your own pool in your backyard. If you don't, keep your backyard for, greenery and decorate it the way you want to, and then come swimming here, right? It does have the tennis courts. They even have a sport that is very popular right now that they do have the court for at this community, which is called pickleball. I didn't know what that was, but if you don't know as well, Google it. It's pretty interesting. So I learned a little bit about that. Kid parks. The kid parks are located on a 1 acre spot, so you have 1 acre worth of that. Like again, this pool area is very nice. That's your clubhouse. There are lots of trash cans for your party. Look at that outdoor sitting area and the fireplace. Very, very nice. I mean, who wouldn't want to have a party here? You have family over, just come and have them here. Birthday parties, as you can see, it has the ponds with the fountains. And we're just flying over here. Very, very nice Star Trail community, y'all. So if this is a community that you are interested in, there we go. Final shot out, right? Fade it back. Whoop. There it is. Star Trail community. If it is something that you are interested in moving into this home, whether it's this floor plan or just a different one, give me a comment below or go ahead and reach out to me. Our contact information is listed. We look forward to speaking with you, seeing with you, and working with you. And until next time, Texas, peace out. Keep it real.